post tomorrow. Like, I still they sell. Like this social media now, like one person call me. Let me quickly say that. A lot of people when they call me, they'll say, you know they do hook up, you know they do hook up. I don't do hook up. I know they hook people up. I know they do hook up. I don't. Okay? Now hook up when ODA they do freely. If you want hook up, go meet ODAK show. ODAK show do hook up. Okay? Even if you don't know a number, if you call me that one, I will give you a number. Then now I have about other thing I mean they do here. And they talk. Some idiot will come my show, they will say, you two they talk. If you no I advertise now talking, I tell the advertise, now they talk, whether na saga or anything, you tell me. You feel me? So I don't do hook up. I know they do hook up at all. That's the last thing on me. Oh, sweetie. Samuel, thank you. Thank you so much, my darling. Crown Ugoshi, I love you. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Thank you all so much. So I don't do hook up. Now the hook up, we know dear, even they do, they help our brothers freely. Or see Bovorena. When I come and they do my pants abroad, they sell my waist and all of them ones that, hey, now waist now you can't they share, now waist I take on my, but I was doing it now. Just they do my thing, they go, before you know. Because anybody, even if thousands they sell, yours they do your, they sell your. I know if you go enter your business. A lot of people come and they begin to say, well, how's that my business? What they can concern me? I will they sell my own. Anyone when it just like, it's not like I will consider my own good pass. No, not be my own good pass. But some people just like me. They would like, I just want to patronize her. Now some people will still go the other one. They will still go patronize. Like, I'm not going to say you they sell Western because if you say they sell Western, it can't come because like, are you for real? Like the way Rita no go on be Rita ni like, but when they cry now say now so they can they do come they do. Now you want to tell people how you want to do their thing. She decided to do it free because even if for me anyway, if I want to do the hook up because it's so stressful, I would like I know do it free. Even if not small thing because it don't, but all the decide to be doing it freely because not be everybody get money. I go here at least I have a free like you hooky person with somebody, but that's the thing I don't do at all. I don't do hook up. I know they do not be my thing at all. I hate them with passion. I know they hook waiting. Hook waiting. Me and the find sugar daddy. You not be this social media they talk and say they find sugar daddy. I never even hook myself up with a lot of sugar. I wish I did. Why I know your pack or there? Why I not find sugar daddy? But like carry the sugar daddy. Are they fine? If they say me, I can't give you. Anyway, that's just that one I'm not doing anyway. But now dear they do. And if you don't get money, like if first still there, she will still give you, you know, freely. She know they collect money. So if you want, I don't do. I know they do. For those some people will call me, why you know they do hook up now? Why you know they do hook up now? Give me. I know they do. You. Waiting I don't do different. Some people don't even know what I'm doing. Like they say something. Whether I do advert, I don't do. I'll go post tomorrow. Because some people will still see my video. They will still call me out. Whether I'm one or two, they will still call. Everybody they do in you. They do your own. Whether another person, people can't go meet them and still do. That's not your fucking business. On your CN, when you say we no gree grow jealousy everywhere. How waiting person they do can't affect you? Me and they say waist trainer. Since when I come and I waist trainer, I take come and they even they laugh me say waist trainer. Other people don't come and they sell. But people when someone buy from me, they say they come. Whether I one or two, I no care, no problem. That's it. Not be only you go, you're there everything. Wow, moving here because nobody will fit doing it because he can't care you or boy. Don't buy no be on natural amogun. Now the hookup we not here they do freely, they do give people small. The one we not see get money go see meet them. And here I know they do it for the life. They will call them. If you get person, give me finish. Every time we have fear go wayoto na every time wa wubana. Gbena pere. Now she want you die. Now she want you die put. Now Rita want you die put. Now like, are you for real? She won't die. Say oh dear they do cup. Say they do and for the like. Now only people say they do. German first lady. Even before my sister Vera started to do hook up, German first lady first lady. Now that one me even know say even start at that time. Only Magui, other people they do it. Come at you do your own. No, they no go. No, in a quay. Who go like you go come your way? Who like you go come your side? That's it. And they say what I say they say even if I know they do advert because you know when you don't they do something advert in me. My video they go far. People will see oh, you go you like me. Not be saying na me get the best one or na me they say the best tea. Or na me they no. I just won't follow T-Boss by. They will just see finish. You go just see the other one. It won't patronize easy. Easy they say you will say they say what you say. I don't like easy. I want to patronize her. Some people say they don't just need them. They don't even need the waist trainer. There is someone. There is one when I know not be only one self. If you see her, even I believe even flat that's my own. She don't even need the waist trainer. She buy dash people because you say she want your doing. She just want to patronize me. Cause she's slim. Equero. The girl did Germany. She even dash me money join her. Say because I just like you. That's it. Not be everybody. You feel say you hate me. Like everybody hates me. No, not being. Because different people they see. Some people your life. I just want to patronize you. No, nothing more. I don't get the money. Me and up till tomorrow. So why the jealousy? Why the hate? Why the because that one you can't the one they say now. So, no, if they do your thing, they do and they go. Just be doing it. Who like you go? Who not like no problem. I make bomb I want buy. If you want to hook up, you not get money. Okay, she the quarter now. Esther no go and be back. She say, hi. Oh, Salome say thank you so much. Thank you. You are love. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Oh, this are not be para. He said na so she they do come na so dear can't do. Now you first start time. Are you the one that started it? Now every of our boys now get money. Is it all our boys that has money? The one we no still get, they'll still go. That's a mini who no can get money now because now 100 euro they collect. The one we no still get will still go there. Now so the life be. You know, if you see your people don't see life partner for this Facebook, for goodness sake, for crying out loud. Is it the or even win the relationship when we not see for, when we even see like no man grand not be Facebook or man win a man where Facebook. It no matter. It no matter. Even before I used to have that mentality like no, I don't feel the person when I see for Facebook. Or yeah, I will like I see say Facebook now. Now you know. That's why brain they grow. That's why you know. Or you do imagine like when they sit like you can actually somebody can actually see someone on this Facebook, and it will be God sent. It will be your friend. It will be your like waiting you they look for. It will you will see and you take them. And if you see say okay, not be it no can work the same thing. So you see before if you see guy for party. You see guy for club. You see guy for streets. Sometimes if you walk. Sometimes if you not walk. Sometimes that they introduce. Family go introduce. I even win now. If you walk, if you know, so now so they be. So there's no big deal about that. Anywhere you see, be proud about it. If me I see my husband for a year, I can't marry. Now a Facebook, I can't give Facebook wine. As I the first sugar daddy, I the find I'll call can you on the Facebook because hey, are you kidding me? It don't can you on the Facebook. It must have can you on the Facebook. Not like Sophie. Samui. Thank you, sweetie. It don't can you niya. If you know you still work, life goes on, life move on. Them na yan go ba na wetin come dem we person want them be say because that one the one can kill you. You can't do my hookup. If you they do your hookup, if you don't say you really do my waist trainer since I come out for this Facebook now I carry. You know don't hear bra by. Small na start they do attaché the journal small yeah I don't bye. And small if I see anyone when I see say the thing when they say they work for me. You know when the by I say drink and it good. Yeah, I drink and say if they reduce me. I'll say okay, me I see Adam, me I see introducing to my people because if you want, make your belly not come out, make your belly not fat, not just eat again. Where they ye, right? Not eat for your life again. Where they ye, so that make your day, make your belly your day. Cause now every day you take the eat, now every day we take the, you know. Now control we call the control. I say I not use the weight training. I not loyalty. I not you made. You know, so I have a gym. People when they go gym every day, they do it. You just say they do it. On every day routine. As for you eating every day, you do is everyday routine. If you not just want, you say not the when I know they use weight training now. I don't want use tree. I don't want drink tea. No eat oh. I derive. No eat. Make you day like that. Now control those things now to control. So that now what do I ever make you know your con long go reach there. That's it. As now up to today, to tomorrow, whether I'm one person in a, if not be say I travel in a week. As even if many people they say well, in a week, some people will still come to me. They'll still come patronize me. I just want to buy from you. Not be said they don't see other people when they do it. Nah, do your own and let them live and let others live. Motherfucker. Now I say they do. Me, I know they do. Not be something when I like. Not be because they say because you they do and I make me no want to do. I don't just like it. Me, I won't even hook myself up. Have I hook myself up? When I won't come, not be what the person get it they give. And I don't even crack my head, join the one when I even there. I don't want to be, I don't fit. I don't go fit. I don't like to they put my hand for so many things. He said, I don't need stress. Stress now waiting at the run for. I don't know what it go. I don't need what it go. They disturb my brain. Because yet one more good boy. Like yo call me. And they think of another time. They think about yo. That vaccination because I get hot temper. Yet, I will even tell the woman make it not agree for you. I go tell her make it not agree. So now they pass and they go give her because if they fit, you get money, not agree, Got me, my own way different. So make it all they do. Me make it wake up. Then I will yet. I don't go fit. I better come up for here, finish this saga. I call you here. Rubbish. I don't go fit. So let's live and let others live. In here, go with Facebook. They can never mind their business. Now so they go, they find you. They find you, they go, they find your trouble, they disturb you, they go, they don't let you do your thing. In here, quit the them there. If they do your other place, they do your hand. Besides that, now that one you felt they live before. Make this Facebook not their body. Say, I don't want to come and you come say na talk. Say na to they swear to they find trouble. Or say me now me wasting na him marry. Now I make her they do my playing thing they join now. If you like, you take her to anything. I don't give a fuck. Make you not go play like say na to they find trouble. That's why some people they find trouble because he have your way near. When they find trouble, they go they analyze. If anybody you do video, where for it but they analyze it. I say na ko go me. But only man me when no kun gbe be ko kere your way. Say you come this war for where I dey. I am like you. I don't wear. I don't like. I good. That's it. Let every no, they're not agree. No agree. We move. Do your own. Whether ODA decide to be doing a hookup free, now she want and like that one not aware. Now she just want and like that, so no problem. Then imagine me have where maybe even way free. But she want to, you want your still use and take the help power, but you got not everybody see get money. So really need woman. I don't know why they not go look for work first, but no problem. You know? And you could only now because that one Cherita they were born like be attention seeker. Attention seeker. On your wow, but now that one she want your die people say because so dear they do. Why can't you just face your own? Who wants still can pay? You still like you want your pay. Make you give them. Oh, have you? Now in people many for this life. You know how many people they? You know how many people did this world? Only you want your get all. Mokpa wani mokpa guy no logo wani buwe venene or like really. Also, when you bag one mokpa no wa logo wanya. Do your own, I do my own. If they come now, so people come make and they feel say they no fit they live before the Facebook. And they do my this. If people come, no problem. Why can't they do the advert? Does it mean that I was not living before the Facebook or before the selling or before anything they do? Now he wa banner. That's why some people come and they'll say all of them are the same. Because now they make and they look like people won't even there Kiosa. Kiosa when people will go, a lot of people they share different things, they share the same thing. But if the one way you like, you know when you will go market that and you go Benin, you go market, you won't go buy. You'll see it's enough fire, you'll see it's enough fire. Not be the one way you like you'll for buy. That's the way it is. Now the one way you like you'll for buy. Yamaka, you are born. You know say she felt they do you cop. She don't know some other person they do it before. Now you start and you the one that started it. Even the Western women they say not be me start to they say Western for the full social media. I am not the first one. So why would I want to stop you? Why would I want to come and tell you to be like, hey, you don't know say they sell them before when you walk on Becky? Like are you mad? Iyanka you are boy. Erita no buana bu eni wa buana la we gbe attention. Oga you for not do aware. Now that is motivational speaker will kill you. Motivational speaker no yan buwe. See not to if you no come at. O hama mu erita ma gbe ku we. You no fear. You curse me for your video finish because they too much TV. Me I try as much as possible. If you not call me, I will try not to call you. I wish as you want you know if face me, you can't they say now oh dear now send me. I don't first swear and put for my YouTube when I first do things. Except say as you take talk and me when you don't curse me finish, I come meet you. You won't talk to oh dear, you know if you face am yourself, you can't face her alone. You know if you even face me talk of oh dear, you won't face. You couldn't. You they talk to oh dear, you they isn't direct, they curse me. I don't use it direct talk my video when I do. You can't go cut and did that mention your name there? No. But you know say now you right. You go carry her. If now oh dear as they talk and they go. Say now oh dear now he send me. When because that one you come on platform make they call they swear for your mama and your children. If maybe when the back of your Facebook now. If he indirect, except with indirect or direct, oh dear, tell me, say, me. Now your video when you take cost me, now I can't respond to you put. You won't go change, you say, now Kate, now send me. Except say, now truth, oh. Except get na kave baby way, no be say na math. Except say na truth. Except get na kave baby way, oh, here your boy bury you way to boy. If na lie, Rita, because that one you can't go they say na mama Katie, won't call the talk. When you know say you don't we see me venning, you don't call for me. You know it very well. You won't come transfer and say na Kate. Say because it will be family friend, will be friend, and my audience and my sister, because the Facebook is now, I met him what say, I met him anything. If not, na that one I send now, on your joke, no guana, where I'm going to buana fear to let you no beer. No guana, guerita. Eke your joke, eke your time no, na tami you were near out in ake. Like you just look me finish. Cause so that they do for this Facebook. Because as you cost me finish, I for not respond to you. Because if I respond now, you come and say, "Na Kate, na send me." You can go to you make if you not like make use no man take shop rubbish. Who cares? But me an book when it be me an book when it name. Rita, who hear your one, who were for. Nah, she can't turn motivational speaker. All the people when they find in trouble for this Facebook. All the live video, no Rita the smelly body, flat nyash no they enter, they find because she not get topic. Okay, you wear phone, she will come they do motivational speaker. Those people don't go close to them. Pray not to meet people like that. They are depressed. They are this motivational speaker. Warrior, no sungu. No na de ve warita. Ne sa mana worry you on. If she don't find trouble finish. They are looking for my attention. They are attention seeker. Why they go no what on one attention seeker? You when it be troublemaker, they find no platform Rita no they enter. No platform she not they enter. Both newcomer for this Facebook. Conadation for they see her topic. No one she not they enter. She will call the using direct they talk to you. You never the video when she call say I take course in Peking. The video if Rita don't know what she do. On your mind no she not say she not talk to me first. The video when me do when she say I take swear for his children. You una hear Rita name for inside. No, because she feels say she can't feel say now unless she's been using direct the talk to person. I not call no makashuku he must swear near way. But how come she come with all the social media people? Now she come no say na she had the turtle. We that guy going you know. We move. Cause she know what she do. On your turn na on a what dear Lord. Oh dear na Kate nice na. If say I talk to me, I talk to your mama. You guys say where you know ni I go blast you. Say na Kate na really send me. If no be case send me Esa gi amyo boya kave gbe we Rita. O amyo boya bere you we to boy. Say na truth. Waga iwe nu wa ofo ne wa do ata we na person say na. Na person say na but the time when they cause the person. No be person say you. Or na person say you say make you dey cause me. Okay, ya gele we no leki ata mo we tamu we do atie boni me. Why couldn't you talk to Kate if you want to talk to her and say una won't meet? You say you won't face and you couldn't. Cause you need to add me inside. Now so she celebrate me. Now so she share my. Now so she wish me happy birthday. She even wish happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yahweh me abio boy. You wish me happy birthday and so fucking what? Because that one you call they curse me. And besides that, I not thank you now when he celebrate me. I really do appreciate it. I not thank everybody when he celebrate me. Must you use that to insult me because you say you wish me happy birthday? No worry about bon na ye wishes Yahweh me. They no gbodion na gbo Rita. Agbodion gbo. You know where you no go respect yourself. What rubbish? No you say you get many things when you the verse for ODF for. Say oh dear, it's where my hookup oh now who there? A tata form well like Facebook or see because if they do something, you really know what to carry coin they do. You know go fit deviate. Me always say that's why the mega be what VAT. Even if I not do have people will still call me, still order. Even if I not do sag and I not do have VAT that the everyone you call ye order. They'll still call me, place the other, whether tea or anything when they know, and I didn't they say. Now make I put my number there. My number is there, my people. Place the order for your waist trainer and tea. We do eat every day, right? So let's be controlling it. Yes. You know sabi we ma go you win rom well like Facebook or see who copy who to e ba we agwa because my waist trainer still remain and it remain. I don't want to be my first when I take comment. It remain and it remains. Whether I do have a finish or person come not come me or now I not say tomorrow or next tomorrow make I not say come do have that. Iye we. Oni ma we o ezazara la wa gbe ni edo mogun we say if you near me nigga do blast we o that why you know na wa Oni ma wu wa sikeni nigga do gbo ho you know me no you know how I have that you to I idea what you to mami ni we a customer real a customer in reporting le ma we pe bu ma we wo who got so however that still buzz ka wo my way no find trouble because you know they find. Why will you be looking for my trouble when why you go insult me first when I don't insult you? So me dear they want talk it not do bad now when they call you small picking. Well, done make you try and no, I'll give you always up. Man, I don't want you. Do what feeding you, do what beer you. Not only my dad, now you get ready to call me your mama, a baby, or your hand no day. You know my baby of yesterday. Make any of na try and about body up. Man, I want you. Say because you, we hear me, una hear sa. We hear my, una hear sa. Damn way. Try and no boya believe where you are, no way the Sakana ya wearing you on who do what be a 170 years old. If I mash you, oh Jesus, damn way. Isn't you na body on when you know body on boy or go you see me, you don't respect yourself. You are born la way bear. Yeah, because you see me. They say that's it. I don't want no go me you say mesmerize you. They crazy. If now you bomb me, not only my dad, that person will bomb me, I get the right to say that. Any of you, whether 100 years you die, I will blast you. I will mesmerize you. I will rubbish you. Because you do have no. You know, I the right thing in the way. Who give you the don't ban no be on una to la mogun. Who don't time and yes, on your no berita. No, if you cost me, they call her Barry. No, that they call me Barry. She not burn. She not do this one. No, can cost you. Or when water, it weighs a way. I will mash you, you say. I for even call her Byron said she not the verse for that one. I for even call and say I got no my beer. That one for even you would have better. That one would have been better. Cause my own person. When I came here, you don't know what T person don't face. I be your mate for me. Ogun bueno. Stop insulting children now. Not tell me what in that. That when I got one white, so why me? And you won't tell me who to insult. I say I've said it before. Don't tell me who to insult. Don't fucking tell me who to insult. Okay? Don't say that. Edamwege. Agbon muge kene imi muge imehi. One of they insult me with Byron. I'm your mobile. The idiot rita they say I'm your mobile Kenya. A Facebook in our Jenna. Where I am you where? Enya you where ya sota where emon where bien rita. E sota noe. A Facebook in our J me bie. When the time comes. When they talk, they swear for my name, they talk say nah gun. When I know they see those ones in my body, see, don't fucking tell me how to insult. Don't fucking tell me that. Why me and you? I know they see those ones. She not burn. She don't sell the womb. She don't exchange the womb. She don't do the womb. She not see picking, but she not do this. I know they see una. Me I want more bug be bastard me and be wow. And I enjoy doing that. As soon as they enjoy, they call me bad, and that's why they enjoy they curse on my children. If you know say me, I not curse on children, no you near me, no dead or even take any insult come where I did. That's me. Infinity Saga, van me we respected buwe. You na baba, you na baba of fake account. May you go they do a lot with those one for that side, man. Eh? Three bad boy, yeah. Now you, I don't say now you. When they call me barren, she not born. No way barren and no one. Those one not be anything. Or none they count those ones anything. They'll come platform. She not go born. Those one know anything. Make I more bug with best side me and be why me woo. And that I will not stop as far as you come my way. No be say your car or your come out, you they swear for people shouldn't know. If you come my way, you come my way. You know say your children are gonna. A bastard they no be any 3 father, 3 children, 4 father, 4 children, they are gonna. They are why not gonna. I know they come out, they carry they swear for you. No, like really? Because if you come insult me. You can't call me Byron. You can't, you know. You automatically telling me that you don't value your children. We might value in. So me ti smash you with a rock. Me. Or when no nyakun at your son, no man. You coming to insult, you are telling me automatically that you don't value your bastard when you born. That's what you're telling me. Now, that's what you tell me. So that's why I don't care. But other people, when you value their children, I value them as well. Yo, I don't value. Because you don't cross my territory. Why will I value? Anything we got to do with you, I don't value. That's more. I'm going to move last card. When I hear your water, shut up. Agbon, move can move where you they say me go, I know they go there. That one when you they know they expect, now them me they go. That's Agbon move can move one of the universe. So you can and let your party inside the children. Me, I tell you, you support me before. I'm the only one that is doing it, though you don't have to support me. Oh dear, not support me. None. But now my way be that. Because you know why? When they call me Barney, they give me different name. Who ask you now? Who is anybody cry? So that's why I see they tell them. They tell me fine. That's why I also no buana berita. Now Kate na say na. Now Kate I say because okay we be like me. Me no leg be Libya na leg be Morocco. You know I come now let me eketi mareva. I survive everything I want to survive alone. Then I'm not the first person to be my friend, but if you are together, I appreciate it, I'll do everything. But when the 11 person they tell me, not even my father, they tell me what to do. Even though you are worse, not even my father, they tell me what to do. I want to. Because I don't I mean here never go, you know. Na ke they say na wetin dey na ke say na ofie no gun na gwene e boke bonu tie no na gbogbo egi ogwarita. Cause even the case where they turn now they tell me no, y'all leave me when they do me. As I say that they do me, they know they see them, may you still leave me. You what say me aye. Or say any now we me. If you near me. Because if you don't enter my head, I don't know whether you get bastard. I don't know whether you born. Me I dey go everywhere. He may want like you. I will enter you. I no go care about nothing. Except if na me very rich where you dey, do me anything that you want to do. Do anything you feel like you want to do. Say you reach where I dey, I will blast you. Yes, now we move. But don't curse my innocent children. On your saying, I say you why? When they like to say innocent children. Innocent children. When I go do something or I they do no, my own I they do for this Facebook. What they call concern my innocent Barry, concern the insult one and they insult me. Both the callers, the fake accounts. What they call concern my Barry. Na me Barry the Barry abi. Na me no see pikin born right. What they call concern that one concern me when I want insult. It may who or say now who very Soviet. What they concern my Barry say I no see pikin born as soon as talk. Imami mo beer they like no we Barry and I no wa. Make the gods of the Barry see us kuna. What they concern that one concern me when una supposed to insult. If una never go call say I no born, una know the rest. The Facebook ina. Now let me they know as person we not born. Yan say we jore noro, yan say jore noro are cause oni hamane. Now anybody where they call Barry na me. When they call concern okay now una know na ogun boy you are boss. Get the fuck out, carry your bastard come off my front in the Chris. When they concern my Barry, she concern the insult. One want insult me. One they carry man, they pass me, they insult my Barry, you know boy, you know baby kio. What they concern? I be carry your bastard should come off my front. They say you're Barry, I mean I'll come spare your Barry. No, you're king near my territory. Case closed. Make the thing very simple and easy. Not just trust my territory. Finish. That's it. Peace go there everywhere. If una won't curse me, they curse say I not born. Una not they look back. Me I here born a bastard in best side no wamu here. Oh wow. Oh wow me una they crazy. Una lost not for head. Are you mad? Okay, now only your bastard children ain't they important. Awe Soviets. You look me like I care. Curse me anyway you want to curse me. I know they curse you, now your bastard that they curse. That's for me. Me, I know we even curse you. If there's anything I want to do, I know they do you. No way. Now those your bastard, now me the ways they go for. Curse me anyhow you want to curse me. And me, I don't know say you condemn. And I don't know say you not get use. I know that you don't have a use. So I they go for the one we get use. Rubbish. Ogun Rita why you not curse Rita? I beg you all and there. I beg more will leave down. If now they curse me for it, they curse as a notable, they tell me my life history. When I don't know what damn way you can't say me, I not gonna care again. Me, no the one will do you go where I here you go they cry they go. Where I here me I will see day. I never even thought to Rita after everything when Rita do everything. Me I not cry oh. Me not they lash, they not lash because I don't work in any move. If he say I will come out, I will come the curse. Curse who you? I won't do anything. I can't do you. You the Chris. I go for what? Yeah, only I expect. No, me I'm going work in any muge. Amen. I'm going work in any muge. Name me B. You feel me? So that's for that. Erita ogondo boy. If you no come and come swear whether and the same Rita does swear for people should many they come. There's one lady that even come, one fair lady. As Rita take doing for this Facebook when the woman no even near her. Omasi ko oviere mas omasi ugbono oma ve suru no so su boy eye rita wa we de rita nu eye sono na ole rita get kotikoti matu unu enyaga no ya ye bad boy ya so kekia. You know bad boy and the way they use bad boy they suck prick. All you mat cut, you know if you look at that video because he condemn mat. But now that match go they shook for every place. You know how many people shoot. Una never come tell it and I say make come swear. Only man go water. Una not feel come and I say you don't swear for people children before. So why you they cry? You don't even swear for my own sister Peking. They thought ona feel like con gear of your team Vera. No, she they cry for you. So I know say una be so we are zen. Or say maybe care. I know they care me. I want him they may relax. Cause what? Na magba wa. I so we are how die we be. How get no base in your mind. Esther they cause. Esther the other day cause. Ona atie bono here oh yeah. The voice of truth. Tomorrow now, person go cause in Peking. Esther will say she won't die. Smelly toto. Oh we yangu. Ekpekusi no we will say she won't die. But all the mia una will forget when she first swear for person yo. Eri waje. Ove te bon ore renove, but na so Rita don. Rita can't forget herself. Ona do mia ona amwe bogbegbe eba nye boya na de yo. She forget because you know they say what goes around comes around. She forget when she they do. No, she they swear. Never even, you know, she can't shop this swear again. She can't shop her. Elie Rita, Esther have a real talk, but Esther no where we are. When that the man when they fuck and the so-called husband. Be proud of the man you marry. Esther. That was not feel swear for person picking over marry me now. No, not be anything because she born. Or be not be barren swear for person picking now. Nah, she born. Really? They not see that one. Nobody, you might condemn me. Where you swear the Esther? Why you know I'm you? But till the day when they will bring Esther, she don't even move big yahu. If I know another the hypocrisy no regbiya. And who cares? Like who cares by your who cares? I don't give a fuck. I don't care. No. You feel am? So, na being only odo no man can amula their husband when they're not supposed to break combat. They're not supposed the care husband when Esther marry. I'm more large amount of time party. Akuye you what is sank ba. Husband when you feel humiliate. How about going de quick to fear? I'll consider can even sack bad than even moire party. Man when you feel taste your toto they smell. Swear for your papa you go fuck you. To fear. You got done one boom here anyway. And that will not be problem. So before boom. So but I don't want to go far. Let's leave another day. Okay. Love you so much. Today na Ekia Queen. Ekia Queen. Where's my sweetie? Sweetie, are you there? Osamuyi, did you subscribe for Ekia Queen? Today na Ekia Queen show like in one hour. Which time even I subscribe with 2. I don't even know the time again. Blessing around 10 or so. I enjoy Ekia. Oh my goodness. Hey, prick too good. Where my prick? I get prick for inside this house. I'm gonna make una wait. Today we are going to be learning this in Ekia Queen show. Ekia Queen, if you know, see now the last hour, see don't be told. So anybody, you know even there, even put on ship €5. Abba, I know they like some people, eh? Please forgive me. The onion taste you don't. Beat Are you sure, sweetie? Osawe, sweetheart, are you sure? Okay. No problem. If you know say you don't pay for Ekia Queen, you subscribe for Ekia Queen. If you know say you subscribe, you let me know. I mean, if you don't subscribe, because we go learn Ekia. Ya we na ya to ta Ekia. Na no na. Or where emune yele. Ide cook. Or ye rukba ne reya de gama we de nije le mieki. You know, na if not because this all this idiot have ni mahia no, they know they waka, then they not go let you pass. Now this Facebook life what they done before. So now even my own na page show they can't they go because in here okwe report igbiyan wa gbon. But they spoil person page. So I say I'm not rare and you know even 2 dear na €5. Yes. €5. So you could not kill me for laughing, like really. So now €5. If you know, say today you're going to be. Won't go sit down. You like we are moving. Me, I don't enter. I beg if you know say you never enter, I beg just go now before we start. Cause oh my God, me I won't go learn more work. You are going to be learning more jobs, more work, joy work. You dare husband so. You get boyfriend though. You not even get to. In short, lay work for grand. Why where your turn now? Very important in case you know they spoil. You know when you lay her to fall for grand. You know they spoil. Anytime you meet your, you know, you go put her in practice. And if you get already, I want you practice your son now. We put her into practice this night. You feel me? So if you know say you never subscribe, go and subscribe. Go get your ticket. May you enter. Don't be told. You want me do €5. Not consider wait the person consider you say, hey, I was in the show. This is how it went. Abba. And so now be. I want to encourage person. I want to encourage our ministry. Make una dey encourage our Ekia, all those are coming ministry now. So that we will live in Winere. You know? I will say so I will so make una dey encourage, make una dey patronize our ministry. It's not fair. Go and subscribe for Ekia Queen. Easy Ogbede. You go to the page, Easy Ogbede, you see. You know even they are nobody will see now just to use your car, your pay. One more your pimple. 2 seconds everywhere, boss. You don't enter. Time will reach now, you'll see yourself for inside class. Get we won't do now. Like that one when you look at. No, it's not that. It's not like that one. Not be all those jogger breed. I not be that kind of one. No, it's not like that, sweetie. It's not like that. Okay. It's not like that one. Please. Let's support her. Let's support. So if they say I like Ekia Queen, this is the time you have to show it. That's why they hate all those hypocrisy like. I love you. But if they do something, I mean, oh, Ekia Queen, I love you. This is the time you show it. You be my bros, not before Mato. My guy, do something. Bamurege. You never hear that song. You know, say you never hear that song for Nigeria at that time. You be my guy, not be. You be my fan, not before Mato. Bamurege. My fans do something for Easy. You know, say you be Easy fan, like you like her. Not before Matt, I beg. All this Matt. Also, I mean, Matt everywhere. I'm not like very yo. I don't be say even dear. You be my fan, not you be Easy fans, not before Matt. Easy fans do something. Bamurege. If you want to see this kind of dick like this one, oh my God, this one of my. Are you this one? I don't know. I be like this size. Oh, chest time anyway. Yes, oh, I can't wait. Oh, you're in already. If you know you're in, like you're going to Ekia Queen, let me say, say, Just say, Or if you don't say you not get, you don't know, just go, your type on easy obey the page. Let me see if I can search it out from here so that you know go see another issue. Cause it's so can't go with Facebook, you know. I mean, next thing you cause this Facebook now, wait. You be easy fast, not be formato, pamurege. Easy fast, do something, pamurege. Make una do something. Don't come out for you. Now 9 o'clock, oh. EJB. You know, if you reach 1 hour again, will remain 50 seconds. Oh my God, see it here. See. Oh my God. It remains 50 seconds. Oh. See, you know they had 2 minutes, you don't enter. Yours go down so that you don't enter. See. If you all go here. I pray maybe saying at this page I enter. You will see and you will say going. This is my Facebook page. If they say they go about 2 like that, I won't do for 3. I will like, oh, I won't give that one. I know feel I do for 2. Now 3 I won't do for. But who I won't give one make it enter. Now 2, now 1 I will enter. But now 2 I take do. I don't know as it on my page I take do one. I use my Facebook account to do it. I don't know as I want to. I won't do for give person, but I not feel use and give person make enter. Cause the 2 now only 1 I will use, you know. The other one I just so you can even do it. UK time or Europe time. Is UK time, oh sweetie? 9 o'clock UK time. Also, they say me I give me I can't give you my account, my password. I use my Facebook account, the Facebook that I used to open my page. Nobody except I give you the password. I can't give like really. Hey, what? Not be smart I will see for this Facebook. Except I will just give you the password. I can't give you my own password for my page. My Facebook account and page, I can't do it. And so that's why I'm not going to do 3 again because, you know, I said I can't give person the money, make it enter. You feel me? I wish you could tell me now for use if it's 9 UK time, then it will be 10 Europe time. Oh, okay. That's true, sweetie. See, UK time 9 o'clock. Europe time will be 10 here. Okay, let me say it remain 2 hours. All my Europe coming. Woo! You still remain 1 hour plus. Go and subscribe. Go. Go. Thanks. You still get some more. Cough. Sweetie. Please confirm with Ekia Queen I won't join. If you know Jago first, I will even first. I want to learn work. Oh, sweetie. Just go to this page. Just go here. It's very easy. Just you go they go through the process. Very easy. And I even €5, €5 if I rotate by what and I don't at least just let's encourage her, let's support her. No say that our don't start they try. That won't that's so you get my every I tell you before. But you can't be doing that again like even my I know if they do again because they no go let you see road. Thank you so much. I will say thank you. Confirm me. Like just go there and you will see it, sweetie. Just go there and you will see it. Just go inside me. You go press and you will say interest. Just enter. Promise me, say if I you go leave. Oh my God! Like really? Oh. Hey, you be Rita boyfriend. Hey, so I always say you be Rita boyfriend. Hey, like there's something you are not telling me, sweetie. Sweetheart, there's something you're not telling me. Let's say you be Rita boyfriend. This one, which one will you all get interest and make her live and so? You be Rita boyfriend, right? Oh, I can't leave it. Okay, tell me, confide. Are you Rita boyfriend or something? Me, I know. Oh, why will you put me on a tight corner now? Oh, you're gonna put me for tight corner. I don't like tight corner. I don't like it. Where is Osamuyi? Osamuyi is not going. Hey, see my husband, not they go. See my husband to be, not they go. I want to learn work. Make all let me. Where's Osamuyi? Osamuyi, I saw him here before. Oh, Osamuyi is not going. I want to learn work. Oh, Sarah, don't mind. Oh, sir, where is Osamuyi? I seen him here before. Are you there, sweetie? I want to learn work. You are not going. You're not going. How are we going to learn work? Oh, I'll go lato. Big bowl, labo go put it to practice. Please go and join now. Go and join. Let's support easy. Let's support. Share the video now. Now I want to say support. Where my people, when they share the video, make other people for seeing now. Please, guys. Please. If you know you're going, let me know. Osawe say, tell me now. Are you Rita boyfriend? Don't put you on a tight corner, please. Don't. Oh, I love keeping to promise. If I promise you now, I'm not going to. That's why I like to promise. I don't like promise and fail. Go Rita my VS, she never cry rich. I will never do that. I'm not an hypocrite. No. Osawe says it's not like that. I know. I don't want to promise anything that tomorrow I will not keep to it. That is the problem. Anyway, I know say me the lash on once in a while. But no problem. Go and join. Please now. I was tell me that you join. How many people don't join here now? Please. Please. Please, oh guys. At least I don't even they do this ever since then. Where my people? I want my people to support her as well. I will not leave here if at least 10 people no go subscribe for her. We'll day here. Since now no one make we go. We'll be here. You be my why not be for mato. But mure with that music safe. My guy do something. You be my final before mato. Pamurege. My fan do something. Pamurege. You be easy fast not be for mato. Pamurege. Make una do something. I'll be later they'll come they make mad. Oh, easy, I love you. Easy, I do this, but you not even go. That's why they like all those kind of hypocrites. I'm not good. You sure I'm not going to even let you enter? I know Infinity Saga. Infinity Emilia Jane. I not go join. You always somewhere I not do you anything. You sure? Mo con read talking. Eh? All the one when you don't do me I go bring the comments. Eh? You want me to bring it out, right? Okay. If this I gotta go join. Go and join. Can you imagine? See, can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Osawe say now. Osawe say, have you joined? Can you imagine that? Is remaining. I mean, we got there here. Even if you not leave me come out, I tell you, where is Osamu now? Oh, you don't want to enter. Okay, you don't want me to learn work. Okay. You don't want to marry again. Some you don't want to marry again. Don't leave me. Or they found another husband. I they find another husband though. Some you don't leave me. Hey, I say me I know. You don't go make me sans quoi. You don't leave me oh. You don't want me I go learn work. You don't want me to learn work. I just pay Sarah to be clear. It's 8 p.m. UK time, so it will be 9 your time, so you have 14 minutes to go. Oh my God, I love you so much. Thank you. Oh, sorry, God. Thank you so much. Oh, you mean it's 8 o'clock UK? And here I was saying it. 9 o'clock Europe time. We even have 40 minutes to go. Oh, so thank you. You just pay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, when this I got not pay. Ooh, when this I got ooh. See, person don't pay now. Ooh, even when they come, so we no go get. Even when they come, so we no. More for that, tell you, get money back. Finish this I got, go and pay. Go pay. If you pay, I don't cost you again. Go tell me if not lie. This I not pay. I always say don't pay. Ooh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh God. Where is the other people there? Yeah, we need why I tell you patient you walk back. Yeah, oh, area wa dona mi mom mi hu we. Area wa dona wa mi mom mi hu. Ha, saloboa. Can man win na they say na where they work, they for see the shop. E man so e dey on dey wo. Yo saloboa. Yeah, oh, you know why I have a patient you wa le here because I only no cure depression. Yo sanebla, e da be here be wo no. Amao. Oh, thank you so much, sweetie. I thank you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for that amazing support. You're a darling. Thank you. Thank you. We have 40 minutes to go. You shot it. I not go come out. If 10 people not go pay before I go, Ikpa, in short, with the year. Just paid. Oh my God. Thank you so much. What's your name? Jason. Oh, thank you. Did you see the page? Did you see this one? Is it this one? Please check where. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Jason. Thank you. God will bless you. How much be that last result? I bet more for if this I can see. See, not make me verse again. People don't pay. Oh, somebody is here. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh God, I didn't make my days. God will bless you. Oh my God, thank you. Yes, I paid. Oh, thank you, sweetie. God will bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you guys so much. Also, I always say thank you. 2. We still have 8 to go. How many minutes we have? We have like 30 minutes. Oh my God. Samuyi, are we going or not? Or you want me to give you one? I paid for 2 already. Samuyi, are we going? Let's go. Samuyi is here. Samuyi, are we going? Are we going to Lene Kia today? See, okay. If I say Samuyi, no one. Oh my God. It not allow me to. You say? It don't allow you. Samuyi, you say what? It's not allowing you to pay. Really? No. It's very easy. Tell me how. What happened? Oh, are we going? Are we going? Because I'm going to. Please support the Kia Queen. You be my final before Mato. I will again. My fan do something. I will again. You be my final before Mato. Even if no one person remember, I did it still remain 30 minutes. T-Bro, can you check again? I've tried to. But no. Really? Ekia Queen here. Where is Ekia Queen? What is happening? Ekia Queen, please, oh, come. But Sabu, you won't pay. See, Sabu, you know, hey, Jesus, what to go and learn again? What to go? Sabu, he's not allowing Sabu to pay. Eh? Like, no. That one we die. I don't go agree. Why not? Wait here. To be using your cream. What happened? You just register your card. Just register your card is easy, right? Oh, in my Apple account. Oh my God. Please. Oh. We have 30 minutes to go. 30 minutes. Who else is going? Which other person they go? We move. Let the love they show. You be easy fan, not be you be my fan, not be for Mato. Me, I'm advertising for my fan to please support. Come on for there. Now lie. Not be my Samuyi they talk. Not be my Samuyi they talk. Or Samuyi know her. Like really? For my birthday, you know how much she give me. Or Samuyi know her call. Well, see. See, you don't pay. Go and pay for this saga. You pay. Uma pay me. Whoever know, you know now. Now me and you. It's not an easy. If I like really, your liver, sweetie, just leave him. He never pay. If this saga no pay, now me and now. If this saga, if you no pay, now me and you, we have a million now. We move. You know, as we take the retreat to do ourselves. Oh, sweetie. Okay, sweetie. Okay, let me show you. My darling, let me show you. See the page. You see it? This one. You will just see the one that she has it. Come for you. This one that she wear red. Then the what's it called? The cover. And Yash can't date there. Now that one. Thank you. I know, sweetie. I know. You like it, so let me support her. I know you support her. I know. Thank you so much, sweetheart. We move. We are going. Yes. I thought Samuyi will not come today. I go, we not gonna go. Like really? We are not going for Ekia. Hey, Jesus. If I don't like Ekia, waiting again. If I don't like Ekia, waiting again. I say my Sabu, you know they go like, where they? Thank you for coming, sweetie. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. Thank you guys so much. That's 3, oh. That's 3. That's 3. It remains 7. How many minutes to go? It remains 7. Just go. It remains 7. Remains 7. See, just go this page. Okay, so yes. No, this one, you will enter this one. You see this one, this page. I did not use this page to pay. You see here, you say interested. This one that our face is in. This one. This is the page show. Just enter. If you enter this one, is this one. When you go to the page, this is the page. Then this is the show. This one is the page show. So when you come here, it will just you'll be going through the process. Then paid. Online events. This one. You will see the time there. Wednesday, 4th of August, 9 o'clock. Oh, Europe time. Okay, they say 8 o'clock UK time, right? Okay. You'll be my friend, I'll be formato. Emily Jo. You know, you want me to block you? Naija commenters. Are you talking to me? Or you refer that one to me? Only block when you want. You'll be my. We have 13 minutes to go. If you know say you don't do and just let me know, please, guys. My people, please let's support her. Let's support her. My people, I really thank you all so much. You know, Nike the key your mama ogun boy. Naija supporter no worry. Come on for here. Go pay €5 now. Uma meeting. Oh wow. I'll take block this idiot. Your man of the naked. You be my friend, not be formato. Let's support our own. Yes. Every time I be support of him, man, no be bad thing. But I know Greasy. See the page. Maybe I go see him after the page. You see your life. Without your life, I know. You know whoever see him. I know. See him. You see your life. Not be juju be that. Yes, now after the picture you will see him. You see you. You see you, Emily J. You see you. Show no to a fake account. Now let there you know how to stay. Now let there you know what to tag you are way. We still have more 7 to go. You know, now the page why they wait me. Yeah, if I come up for a year, if I have this video just now, I will go as I just did this so because I want you they go. Oh, Jesus. You go pull pizza. You want pizza. Take one beer. Hey, when you're going now, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, they shots now tell you I will put on. Oh, jeez. I trust my baby. I trust her. Okagbe before, so I trust her. I'll go put my pizza. What when I real way I'm pizza you no disturb. You're the woman start you the wash. You go pay. He can't pay without start to. Yeah. He can't pay. You're the woman start you the wash. They enjoy the show. I know she don't enter because we will still start the life. I won't go put my pizza now. So please, guys, I like you for my girlfriend. Okay, no problem. Faith beauty class. Inbox me. I'll give you a number. So let's go and get ready. Please support. It still remains some few minutes. Go. You know, it will take you 2 seconds. Thank you so much. Osawe say thank you. What's the other? There's one person that paid before. James, Thank you, James. Thank you. Also, we, my darling, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We move. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. I love you all so much. So it's about to go down. And let's go. And if you still feel like, okay, let's support. Let's just support her, okay? Let's support. Support your own. Support your own. Support your own. Okay? You're welcome. Thank you, James. Thank you. God will bless you. God will bless you. Not too much. Also, I will say, don't worry. I will reduce the mic. Okay. I know you were saying that. Okay, make I leave this. I know it's for like you don't just. I will call you in a bit. T bros, I will call you in a. Okay, sweetie, no problem. Simon say, I know you just want to reduce. I will. If they can leave me to be doing my thing, why not? Even if now I don't care. I do my thing. I know some people when still like to watch me, they will come. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, he did. Osamu, you have bought it. Osamu, you don't enter, no worry. I won't go put pizza for over, I beg. I know my drink. And you know the most sweet part of it. My Osamu, we are going. Ah, Jesus, in life, it's too sweet. Thank you so much. Let me go put my pizza before you go. Your start. I go see whether my beer. The beer don't cold. If you don't cold, I put that for freezer again, make it chill. Ah, Jesus is Lord. Hey, mama. The life too sweet, oh. I know we there with my sabu, there with my pizza, with your enjoy. If you know that you don't want to miss this show, go now. Yours go now. Go. I go there with your beer. There with your Jesus, too sweet. What are you doing with someone? I don't. You said Benin West are very. I know you will say that. I know you say what you do to someone. Now all of the night. Oh my God. Hey, yeah, my mom say that. Hey, Jesus. I bet we are for thousand. Okay. Say one like one. So inside 100, at least 5 good for inside. And inside that 5, I can't see one. Ah, that's why you want to beat me put. Maybe say that it's like 5, that 5, they can't behave like Oyibo. Like, the mentality, everything is different. Ah. See, my mood this evening, I'll go there with Osamu, I beg. I want to do my dream. It's going to be sweet this night. It's going to be me vade. Leave farm. You leave farm, beg. Not be all. He's good. He's different. It's just one in a me. Like, what person will you like it for you? I like it for him. For him. Okay? I say we'll change that because they call us Samu, they'll just say okay now. Sure you thought say no Bini person go there with me. And why it could be say me in particular. You know this life. Now waiting you know that thing when you say you know like now do you know? So thank God good one at least 5 days when it good. 100 inside 100 5% good. Inside that 5 you can't see. I know you will say that. I know you guys will say that. I know. I know they must say it. I know say they will talk. My God. You are too funny. So let me go and do my pizza. We move. Eka Queen. I dare with you, okay? I love you so much. And for everybody that supports, God will bless all of you. Now that's how you know me, it's not like the money is not be the money, not be everything, not just the love, the support, you know, the push, you know, not be fair will make you not build that. You feel me? You're showing the love, you're showing okay. You understand? You feel me? Thank you all so much. You guys are amazing. So let's go and enjoy and encourage her. And the Lord will continue to bless you. And you will see better care when you go. You will they see how better care after they fall for your pekus. Better one man when he correct for. As they support you, they support your own. Like, you know, you will see how go after they give you better care. Better one like this. Ah, God, you know what I mean? I go put my pizza for oven. It's about to go there. It's about to go there. It's about to thank you so much. I love you. Someone say, love you. Thank you. God bless you. James, thank you so much. You're amazing. You're amazing. Sabuyi, you na personal kiss I will give you. Bye.